All right, this will be documentation of my first 50-yard group after installation of the nose button and removal of the kisser button. This is my 14-year-old Bowtech Tribute that I recently had restrung and retuned. And I've been shooting 6 arrow groups, but I eliminated 2 of my arrows because they have holes in the vanes. So we're going to take a walk and see what happened after the first 4-shot group at 50 yards. Let's see how it worked out. Also, I did make a sight adjustment from the groups that I was shooting before. I installed the nose button. I changed the weight on my stabilizer and was shooting high right a little bit. And wow. Well, I didn't Robin Hood anything the first time, but I'm not going to complain about that. That's 3. That center circle is about 3.5 inches. And that group looks to be, I hate to say half that size, but since I happen to have a tape measure, let's see what we got. Right around 2 inches with the farthest outlier and the 3 shots maybe 1 1/8 inch, 1 1/4. Now that's with an old HHA optimizer, no clarifier in the peep, and no scope. So I'm very pleased with that. And if I improve from that, I'll be ecstatic. So excellent product. I'm very pleased so far.